Hello, guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Sukra's World. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, let's learn how to make this beautiful and cute desk organizer out of a waste cardboard box. For this, you can take any Amazon delivery box. Let's start by cutting the top sides of the box. Now using Fevicol, paste A4 size white papers inside and outside of the box. Make sure that all the edges need to be covered properly as shown in the video. Now let's paint pink on outer sides of the box. Now paste any lace to the edges of the box. Now take any plastic flower of your choice and paste it in a slanting way. Now decorate it with some pearls and mirrors. Now, take any plastic container of your choice and make sure it sticks well. Now take the cardboard piece which we have cut before and stick it with a blue paper. Now fix the cardboard piece in the middle of the box. It's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you all liked the video. Please do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.